Baby's monster. And you already the monster? Yo.
Alright, Camp Crushers, here's the situation. Tiger Shark is trapped beneath Mayhem Mountain with a monster of unspeakable horror.
This bed? I am on this bed. Are you trying to tell me there's a real-life boogeyman hiding underneath my bed? I just saw its hand, okay? What?
If whatever is out there thinks it can scare me, it's got another thing coming. Time to get to the bottom of this monster mystery.
Nice job, Tiger Shark!
Potato favorite. Potato. What is doing? No. It's telling them all. It's not getting rusted.
I get.
Boy, if you don't get. Oh, hello there!
Right then, Race Ace?
Tiger Shark and I were separated by a cave-in, and a monster is down there with him. So we have to crush our way in, find Tiger Shark, and we're home free.
There comes a giant Coco!
From out of nowhere, the Wrecking Ball takes out Race Ace!
Once our teams are reunited, get your bumpers back here pronto!
And all of a sudden, one of his tires blown up. And the reason why, though, is because he did, in the movie, he just said, no tires, just gas, and he just took off. And then Chuck said, you need tires, you idiot!
That's right, it's been us the whole time. Rhinomite and Motosaurus, the two coolest crushers this side of Crankshaft Canyon. And there ain't no way we're gonna let these Camp Crushies in on our turf.
I know he. Why you want to do the Ryan might you the monitor you What do you mean you didn't know, Jemma?
It's an all-out Crusher B-Crush battle! Who's gonna be the first to the finish line?
You are so stupid!
Smash my sunroof! First place goes to Devil Derby and Mega Rex! They're moving on to the Champions Cup!
Woo! There ain't no stopping us!
I can practically taste that Champions Cup. Mmm.
See? I know what it is, but I know what you do. I'm ready to get a really made already, Right? I know it though. Well, I know it is though. What do you mean, Ryan? No one did it though. I think what they did though. I don't know. It is the I know what it is. Not what it is.
What?
Did you hear that?
I didn't hear that.
Looks like we have our third Champions Cup team!
Hey, it's you two.
Took you all long enough.
Camp Crush, meet Rhinomite and Motosaurus!
You are so stupid!